Namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to the 28th day of October Yoga Challenge. So let's start. As usual, we start with making a humming sound three times. So let's close our eyes. Close our eyes. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Breathing out, relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. And wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment here and now. We'll continue with full yogic breath. So, how we do full yogic breath is we breathe in our stomach first. We completely expand our stomach and then continue breathing in. We expand our chest. Then we expand the side of the chest. Then we continue breathing in, lift up the collarbone. And breathing out, we relax the collarbone. Then we relax the chest. Then we relax the stomach and pull our navel in. So that's how we will do. Okay, so let's start. Breathe in, expand your stomach. Continue breathing in, expand your chest. Breathe in, side of the chest, rib cage. Breathe in little more, lift up the collarbone. Hold here. And then breathing out, relax the collarbone. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. And pull your navel in. Once again, breathing in, expand your stomach. Continue breathing in, expand your chest, the side of the chest. Breathe in little more, lift up the collarbone. And keep a smile on your face. Breathing out, relax the collarbone. Relax the chest. And relax your stomach. Pull your navel in, completely breathe out. Once again, continue breathing in. Expand your stomach. Breathe in, expand the chest, side of the chest. Breathe in little more, lift up the collarbone. Breathing out, relax the collarbone. Relax your chest. Pull your navel in. Continue for 2 more breaths on your own. Once you breathe out, relax. Slowly and gently open your eyes. So let's all stand up. Let's do some warm-ups. Take your fingers. Slowly take your arms up. Keep shaking. Let's do the loosening exercises. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right hand back. And breathing out, left and front. Make a nice circle. Attention on your neck region. And coordinate the movement with the breath. Once you complete this round, reverse direction, breathing in left and back, and breathing out right and front. Make a nice circle and attention on your neck region. If you feel any stiffness at any point, just hold there and take few breaths and then continue. Once you complete this round, relax, slowly come back to the center. Now let's do shoulder rotation, keeping our hands relaxed, arms relaxed like this. And then just rotate your shoulder, breathing in slowly, forward, up, and breathing out, back and down. Make a nice circle with your shoulder. Opposite direction. Loosen up your shoulder. Lot of our stress gets stored around your neck and shoulder region. Just by doing this loosening exercises, we release this stress. And relax. Now let's move down to the spine. Let's take our left hand to the right side and right hand to the left side. Give a nice stretch. Twist to your spine. Breathing out, go back. Breathing in, come back to the center, and then out again, go back. Follow the rhythm. This time when you take the right arm back, just see left arm just behind your back. And on the other side, twist little more. Twist more and more. And relax. Okay, let's move down to the waist. Let's do waist rotation. Push your hips to the left. Push, push, push. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. And to the right. Once again to the left. And to the right. And now let's make a nice circle with our waist. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Let's go to the thighs. Just hold your knees, go down, and let's rotate our knees anti-clockwise first. And then clockwise. And relax. Let's work on the ankle. Stretch your toes. Release, stretch, release. And now rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise. And relax the right leg. Let's do it with the left leg now. Stretch, release, stretch, and release. And now rotate the ankle. Anti-clockwise, clockwise. And relax. Let's do some warm-up before we start the asanas. So today we will do a dancing like a Shiva. Spread your leg, slowly go down, And take your arms up and lift your left leg like this. And then on the other side. And keep looking to your arms. Go down as much as you can. Continue. Relax. Catch a few breaths. Now imagine there is an ash fire below and you need to cross the ash fire quickly. So how would you do? You will keep your foot very short time at the ground and then keep running. Keep fast. Come on. Keep running. Faster. Faster. And relax. Breathe in from the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Catch a few breaths. Okay. Let's continue with asanas. Let's do Tadasana, Urdu Tadasana. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the fingers, palms facing the sky. Slowly come up on your toes. Stretch your whole spine. And breathing out, relax. Relax your arms. Let's do Konasana 1. Breathing in, lift your left arm up, stretch your left arm. Stretch, and then breathing out, take your right palm close to your right knee. Go down as much as you can and look at your left palm. Stay there, continue breathing. Breathing in, slowly come up and breathing out, relax your arms. Let's do it on the other side. Breathing in, lift up your left arm up, stretch your left arm and breathing out, go down. Your right arm up and left arm down. Breathing out, relax. Okay, now let's do Kati Chakrasana. Straighten your arms in front as if you're holding a box in both the palms. And now breathing out, turn to your right side and look over your right shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center and breathing out to the left. Make sure your left foot, big toe is still touching the ground, not lifting up. Breathing in, come back to the center and breathing out, relax. Let's do Virabhadrasana 2 with Parshva Konasana. Spread your leg. Right foot 90 degrees outward. The left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Breathing out, bend your right foot 90 degrees. 90 degrees, stay here. And now, breathing out, bend to the right side and see if your left side of the body is in straight line from your finger to the toe. You might need to push your hips a little bit down to make it straighter. And body is not leaning forward, body is in same plane, one plane. And from here, those who can go deeper, if you don't spread your leg, the distance between both the legs is not enough, then this left side will never get straight. So we need to spread our leg. And now slowly place your right palm down. Spread your leg a little bit more if you want. I think the most of the cases I am seeing that the distance between both the feet is not enough. And that is why the straightness is not coming. But it's fine. Then you don't go down. Breathing in, slowly come up. And come back to Virabhadrasana 2 and relax your arms. Loosen up your legs. Let's do it on the other side. Spread your leg. Left foot 90 degrees outward, the right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulders. Bend your left leg 90 degrees. Your left knee is exactly above the ankle. That is the point we hold. Relax here, take few breaths, and then bend to the left side. And take your right arm up. And from here, those who are comfortable, they place your left palm at the ground. Once again, the right side of the body is in straight line. Breathing in, slowly come up. And back to Virabhadrasana. And breathing out, relax. Loosen up your legs. Okay. Now let's do Trikonasana. Spread your leg. Right foot 90 degrees outward, the left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Now slide the upper half of your body to the right side first. Keep sliding, keep sliding. And here, take a breath in and breathing out. Take your right palm down. Right palm goes just below the knee. No need to touch your foot, just below the knee. And look at your left palm. After learning the posture, you need to start practicing staying the posture for longer time. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Now let's do it on the other side. Left foot 90 degrees outward, the right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Breathing out, slide the upper half of your body to the left side. Keep sliding. And then from here, breathe in and breathing out. Bend to the left side and look at your right palm this side. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax, loosen up your legs. Okay. Now let's come to the front of the mat. We will do some Surya Namaskar with some variations. Okay. Breathe in and out. Namaste 1. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Take your arms up and back, hips forward, head back. Nice stretch. Breathing, straighten your back and breathing out. Bend forward, keeping your back straight. Go down as much as you can. And once you are completely down, hold both the arms and rock your body left and right. Loosen up your lower spine, lower back. Now gently place the palms by the side of your feet. Every breath in, straighten your back and breathing out, straighten your leg. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Take your right foot back in Ashwasanchalanasana. And from here, let's lift our left palm up. Look at your left palm. And breathing out, relax your left arm. Breathe in and hold the breath. Take left leg back. Body is in straight line, Chaturanga Dandasana. And let's do some variation here. Gently place your right leg in front of the chest on the ground in Kapotasana, like this. And gently, slowly take your palms closer to your waist. Closer to your waist. And only those who are comfortable here, they may bend your left leg, hold your left foot, and look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling. And breathing out, relax the left leg. Once again, take your palms in front and slide your palms. Lie down. But make sure your body weight is transferred on both the sides, on both legs. Body is not leaning down to the left side or the right side. Should be equally balanced. Feel the stretch on your hamstrings, thigh muscles. And now slowly come up. And take your right leg back in Chaturanga Dandasana. Let's do the same with the left leg. Place your left leg in front of the chest. And right leg is straight. Now slowly slide your palms backward. Stay here. And those who are comfortable here, bend your right leg. Hold the right ankle. And look at the ceiling. Breathing out, relax the right leg. And slowly go down, slide your palms forward. And touch your forehead to the ground. Feel the stretch on the hamstring muscles of the left leg. And slowly come up. And take both the legs back in Chaturanga Dandasana. Feel the loosening up of your hip region, your thighs, your legs. Now gently place the knee on the ground. Slide your chin forward and come to Ashtanga Namaskar. The 8 parts of the body touching the ground. Chin, chest, palms, knees and toes. Breathing in Cobra, Bhujangasana. Breathing out, inverted V. Touch your heels also to the ground and bring your chest closer to your thigh. Make perfect V. Breathing in, bring your right leg between the palms. And from here, lift up your right arm up and look at your right palm. Breathing out, relax the right palm. Breathe in and then breathing out. Bring your left leg between the palms. Straighten your back and slowly come up. And go back and breathing out, back to Namaste. This was the first half of the Surya Namaskar. Let's continue the second half. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left. 10, 11, and 12. Very good. Okay. Now let's come to our imaginary chair pose. Straighten your arms in front. Push your buttocks back. Go down. But make sure your knees are not crossing the toe mark. Go down, go down. When the thighs are exactly parallel to the ground, just hold here. Go down and come up, down and up, and go down. Join your feet together and bring it close to the body, as close as possible. Straighten your back. Flap your leg. Faster, faster. Beautiful butterfly. Now breathing in, straighten your back. And you will place both the feet around 4 to 6 inches far from the body. Again, straighten your back first. And then breathing out, go down as much as you can. With the help of the elbows, you may press your thigh so that the thighs, both the legs remain on the ground. And do as much as you can only. Not overstretch. Breathing in slowly, come on. And breathing out, relax. Okay. Let's do mountain pose here. Now you may sit in Ardha Padmasana or Purna Padmasana, like this. Place your left leg here and right leg, like this. If you can't do it, you may sit in normal cross leg or whatever is convenient to you. If you're comfortable, sit like this. Straighten your back. And breathing in, take your arms up. Interlace the finger, index finger pointing to the ceiling, and stretch up. Give a nice stretch to the spine. Stay there, take a few breaths. And from here, gently take your arms down and hold your right wrist with the left palm behind the back. Behind the back. Straighten your back and breathing out, bend forward and come down in Yoga Mudra. And breathing in, slowly come up. Okay, so now here let's do Ardha Matsyendrasana. This sitting spinal twist. How we do Ardha Matsyendrasana is sit in Dandasana, like this. First, okay. If you find difficult, you may take a pillow here, below the hips. And now bend your right leg. Place your right foot on the outer edge of the left leg. Right foot on the outer edge of the left leg. And gently bend your left leg and bring your left foot closer to your right hip, like this, okay? Now breathing in, lift up your right arm up and place your right palm behind the back. And once again breathing in, lift up your left arm up and hook up your left elbow with the right knee, like this. You can keep like this, or you hold your feet or shin bone and look over your right shoulder. Those who are very flexible, they may hold their feet also. Look over your right shoulder. Breathing in, relax the left arm, and breathing out, take your right arm in front and straighten both the legs again. Now let's do it with the other leg. This time bend your left leg Place your left foot on the outer edge of the right leg. Outer edge of the right leg. Bend your right leg and bring your right foot closer to the hip. Closer to the hip. Breathing in, lift up your left arm up and place it behind the body. Once again, breathing in, lift up your right arm up and hook up your right elbow with the left knee and look over your left shoulder. Back is straight and twist it behind. Breathing in, relax the twist. And take your arm up and straighten your leg. Okay, very good. Loosen up your thighs and legs. And let's lie down on our stomach. Let's do some lying down postures. Palms by the side of your body, facing the sky. Gently make a fist with both the palms and tuck into your groin area. Lift both the legs up. Stretch both the legs. Breathing out, relax both the legs. Slide your palms and bring it below the shoulder. Elbows close to the body. Breathing in, slowly come up, vertebra by vertebra, Bhujangasana. Stay there, continue breathing. Roll your shoulders back, shoulders are not squeezing your neck. Elbows are close to the body. And breathing out, slowly go down. Bend your knees, hold the ankle. And lift up in bow posture. Dhanurasana. And breathing out, relax. Gently flip over to your back. Let's do some lying down postures on the back. Let's start with cycling. So bend both the legs. You may spread your arms on both the sides. The legs are perfectly 90-degree angle. Your knee is exactly in line with your hip and your ankle is in line with your knee. And from here, let's start making a small circle with both the feet. Small circle, 1 feet circle. And then let's increase the circle to 2 feet. Big circle, biggest circle. Stretch one leg and another knee close to the chest. Big circle. Now opposite direction. The cycle has a reverse gear. Continue with the big circle in opposite direction. Medium circle, the 2 feet circle. Come on. And the 1 feet circle. Continue, do not give up. 1 feet circle. And slowly relax. This exercise is very good for the abdominal muscles to get rid of the belly fat. Now let's do Natarajasana here. Bend both the legs. Distance between both the feet more than hip width apart. Slightly more than hip width apart. And gently drop both the legs to the right side and look at your left palm. Lying spinal twist. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, drop to the left side and look at your right palm. Breathing in, come back to the center. Once again, drop both the legs to the right side and look at your left palm. Breathing in center and on the other side. Breathing in, relax. And let's do Pavan Muktasana. Bring both the knees close to the chest. Once again, breathing in and breathing out. Bring your nose between the knee. Hold both the legs. Squeeze your body like an atom. Rock your body forward and backwards. Relax the head on the ground and rock sideways. Straighten your leg and let's shake our body and make a humming sound. Shake your legs, arms, head, left and right, and make a humming sound. Relax and let go. Feel the prana becoming alive in each cell of your body. Let the body dissolve into the Mother Earth and let your mind dissolve into the space. Gently bring the attention to your right leg. Left leg. Genital region. Abdomen. Stomach near navel region. Chest near the heart. Right shoulder. Right arm. Left shoulder. And left arm. Throat and neck region. Face. Forehead. Top of the head. and whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Keeping your eyes closed, taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. And we will do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam here. The left palm in Chin Mudra like this, the index finger and the thumb gently touching, and gently place it on your left knee. Right palm over your face, the index finger and middle finger between the eyebrows, thumb on your right nostril, ring finger and little finger on your left nostril. To start with, breathe in from both the nostrils. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left. Close the left and breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right. Close the right and breathe out from the left. This is one round. Continue for 3 to 4 more rounds on your own. Once you complete the last round, relax. Place both the palms on your knees, facing the sky. Sit with your spine erect, body relax and loose. Gently bring your attention to your head region, face, frontal lobe of your head. Now gently move your attention to behind the head, back of your head. Now slowly move your attention to top of the head. Let go all your efforts. Relax. Gently bring the smile on your face. Breathe in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. And becoming aware of your body and surroundings, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So, with this, we conclude this session.